We're ready for a gourmet night at Mamma Vittoria, where we will cook the amatriciana sauce together with many other things. We will serve the Nera Vite from Terre Sacre and the Trebbiano from Terre Sacre, and the revenue of tonight will go to the Italian Red Cross to rebuild the Amatrice village or the Amatrice town in Italy that was destroyed by the earthquake. So we're going to serve a beautiful menu, served with Terre Sacre wines.
Make the best. Yes. Yes,
Buonasera. Buonasera. We should speak in English, right? We're in America, we speak English. Okay. So welcome to, I guess, the fundraising of Amatrice. For people, probably everybody knows where Amatrice is, right? But if you don't know, it's above Rome, towards Marche and Abruzzi, right on the border. Okay, it's an hour and 50 minutes north of Rome, all the way to the very close to Ascoli Piceno. Amatrice has become very famous to make the sauce, Amatriciana. Okay. In fact, during the earthquake, the next day or two, they're supposed to celebrating, I think, the 80 or 90 years of the Amatriciana sauce. Now, of course, with the Amatriciana sauce, there's a lot of a controversy. Okay? Because you're supposed to use the guanciale. Guanciale is the face of the pig. Okay? And you're supposed to use only the one they make in Amatrice. Okay? You're supposed to only use the peperoncino for Amatrice. Okay? The tomato for around the Amatrice. Okay? And then, of course, but outside the United States, sometimes it's very hard to find the guanciale. Most of the people will use pancetta, but never use prosciutto. Okay? Because prosciutto doesn't have the flavor that you need to give to the tomato sauce. Lots of the people use onions. They use garlic. Remember that Amatriciana was invented to be white. Okay, then the introduction of the tomato came after. Okay, they call them it's only the fat of the guanciale, the spaghetti, and the pecorino. Even the pecorino is supposed to be from Amatrice. Okay? In Amatrice they say that if you use the Romano from Rome, not too far, it's not the same. Okay? But then people start to change it from spaghetti to bucatini. When you go to Rome, bucatini is the pasta they use. Then, of course, sometimes the bucatini it's harder to eat. The same thing, if you do spaghetti for 1,000 people, it's harder to maneuver, right? So people start to using rigatoni. Okay, then from the rigatoni it becomes a packet. Okay, but I would say as long as you take a good pancetta of guanciale, okay, and you cut it in either small pieces or a little bit of little stripes. Okay, you put it into the oil. Actually, if it's fatty, you don't even need any oil. Okay, you put the pancetta into a skillet, right, and you let get the fat, coming out and get very crispy. Then you remove it, the pancetta, from the pan, and you add some Marzano tomato or plum tomato chopped up. Okay? Then you add.
Yeah, the lady in the far corner.